Get out of bed د کټه پاسه. Get out of bed. He needs money. د هغه پیسې پکار دي. He needs money. I will come back. زه به واپس راشم. I will come back. I will stay home. زه به په کور کې اوسم. I will stay home. It's your move. وستا نمبر دی. It's your move. God knows. خدای ته پته. God knows. Please lend me 100 rupees. مهرباني وکړه مال 100 روپۍ قرض را. Please lend me 100 rupees. Think about it. دې باره کې سوچ وکړه. Think about it. We will call you. مونږ به تا را وغواړو. We will call you. Where were you? ته کوم ځای وې؟ یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ ته چېرته وې؟ Where were you? You have to go. تا لره تللی دي. You have to go. You look tired. ته ستړی ښکارې. You look tired. Are you at home? آیا ته په کور کې یې؟ Are you at home? Are you guys okay? آیا تاسو خلق سم یې؟ Are you guys okay? He is in no hurry to go. هغه د تلو په تادۍ کې نه دی. He is in no hurry to go. Come if you can. که راتلی شې نو راشه. Come if you can. Why did he go there? هغه هلته ولې لاړ؟ Why did he go there? Did he go there? آیا هغه هلته لاړ؟ Did he go there? Did you miss me? آیا زه درته یادېدم؟ Did you miss me? Don't open that. هغه مه کولاوهه. Don't open that. Everyone waited. هر چا انتظار وکړو. Everyone waited. He came running. هغه په منډه راغی. He came running. He can't be ill. نشي کېدی چې هغه بیماری. He can't be ill. I feel nauseous. مال الټی راځي. I feel nauseous. I go every year. زه هر کال ځم. I go every year. I heard a noise. ما आवाज واوریدو. I heard a noise. I like this one. زما دا یو خوښ دی. I like this one. I run every day. زه روزانه منډه وهم. I run every day. I saw her again. ما هغه بیا ولیده. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ ما هغه دوباره ولیده. I saw her again. I want a guitar. زه ګیټار غواړم. I want a guitar. I'm lucky today. نن زما قسمت ښه دی. I'm lucky today. Is anybody here? آیا دلته څوک شته؟ Is anybody here? Is there a hotel? آیا دلته هوټل شته؟ Is there a hotel? It is useless to argue with you. تا سره بحث کول بیکار دی. It is useless to argue with you. No, I didn't go. نه زه نه وم تلی. No, I didn't go. Nobody's around. خوا و شا هیڅوک نشته. Nobody's around. Now stop crying. بس وس جړا بند کا. Now stop crying. She is a beauty. هغه ښکلې ده. She is a beauty. She talks a lot. هغه ډېرې خبرې کوي. She talks a lot. That is not fair. دا خو صحیح نه ده. That is not fair. This is for you. دا ستا دپاره دی. This is for you. Watch carefully. په غور سره ګوره. Watch carefully. We lack nothing. مونږ سره د هیڅ شیز کمی نشته. We lack nothing. What time is it? وس څه وخت دی. What time is it? What's your age? ستا عمر څومره دی. What's your age? Where is my book? زما کتاب کوم ځای دی. یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ زما کتاب چرته دی. Where is my book? You startled me. تا زه ویرولم. You startled me. I have lots of work today. نن ما ته ډیر کار دی. I have lots of work today. Are you a doctor? آیا ته ډاکټر یې. Are you a doctor? Can you teach me? آیا ته ما ته ښودلی شې. Can you teach me? یا تاسو داسې مویلی شئ آیا ته ما ته درس راکولی شې. Choose carefully. په غور سره خوښ کا. Choose carefully. Climb to the top. بره پورې وخیژه. Climb to the top. Come and join us. راشه او مونږ سره کېنه. Come and join us. Do you remember your promise? آیا تا ته خپل لوز یاد دی. Do you remember your promise? Don't make faces. شکلونه مه جوړوه. Don't make faces. Have a good time. مزې کوه. Have a good time. He has long legs. د هغه خپې اوږدې دي. He has long legs. He is her friend. هغه د هغې ملګری دی. He is her friend. He should eat a little less. هغه له لږ کم خوراک خوړل پکار دي. He should eat a little less. He must love you. هغه به خامخا تا سره مینه کوي. He must love you. I can't remember. ما ته یاد نه دي. I can't remember. I'm in trouble. زه په ستونزه کې یم. I'm in trouble. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.